How will you describe the project that you are doing right now, building a rocket and a spaceship in Denmark?
For me, it's a dream project coming true, meeting Peter and being able to do this on my own. And right now, at this very moment, it's extremely intense because we have to finish off like 2.5 years of development and becoming ready for a launch, first test launch.
But how is it possible for a small company or just a few people to build a rocket to bring people into space?
Well, the fact is we use a different method. First of all, we're not just a few. We're still 15, 20 persons working on it on a day-to-day basis. And it's possible because the method is different. And because the mission is much simpler than going out to, in a 500-kilometer orbit and fixing a space telescope. We are just going right out the atmosphere and coming back on a trajectory that is not orbital. So it's a much simpler mission, a much simpler rocket, and a much simpler spacecraft. Therefore, it's possible.
And what is the time frame for you? When do you expect to see a person flying with your rocket into space?
Well, it's difficult to say because we need to make sure that the technology actually works. We're not going to send anybody into space until we know that things are safe within the frames we see as safe. So it could be more than 3 years, it could be less than 10 years, but it's difficult to say. We need to observe and learn from the experiments and then move from there.